Hello from Ayursiddi. Let's discuss the factors to consider for the maintenance of health. Like the first thing comes is detoxification and toxins. Toxins will be there in each and every food product we consume. Nowadays, all agricultural products like preservatives, coloring agents, and easy growing hormones, all those things will be there in many of the consumables we eat. And those things will, after we get it assimilated, absorbed, and all, will be formed a form of toxins and will be deposited in the body. So, we have to constantly keep a check on this. Like we have to remove certain part of those toxins on a daily basis. So only water regulation has to be there in the body. So you have to drink certain amount of water to regularly detoxify the toxins. Then comes the eating habits. Like you have to eat right at the right time. Eating right means the right proportion of food, rightly cooked, right quantity, all the three factors to be seen, and the right time. What is the time? Like the breakfast need not to be postponed, and lunch has to be had in the proper timing. Dinner has to be early before you go to bed. These factors has to be considered. The next factor in the eating habit comes the seasonal changes, like what season what to eat and what season what not to eat. And then comes the next factor in the eating things, the quantity and the quality, like what are the proportion of the food, in what age what proportion matters, and in what season what is the thing which has to be avoided and which has to be had plenty. All these things are very much, very effectively taught in Ayurveda, so that the longevity and health maintenance, which is the primary goal of Ayurveda, is achieved. Then the next factor comes to maintain the health is the sleep. Sleep is again the very important mechanism of health maintenance. Why? Because during sleep, there are so many repair mechanisms inside the body which will happen without even we notice it. That's the thing. Then there are certain hormones which gets released during the sleep, which will give energy to the next day, which will soothe your muscles, relax your muscles, give uh, energy to your brain function, and also relaxes your brain for the next day concentration and memory boosters. All those things will be done during sleep. Then comes the gut health, which is also having a very primary concern, because in Ayurveda we say gut is the primary thing where all the mechanism of the body is considered and done. Like we all know that heart functions 24 hours a day, but nobody cares that gut also will be working all the 24 hours. Like it will be absorbing the food what you have consumed all the day. It will be making it into energy, releasing, absorbing the food, whatever form it has to have in the gut, it will have it. Then it has to push all the excreta and prepare for the next day consumption. There should be space which has to be cleared for the next food part